Hello guys, welcome to last video of this course which is Power BI for beginners. Till now we have seen what is Power BI, why do we need it, what are the benefits, install Power BI manually on Windows desktop, then see various visuals, see the transform section, understand what is table view, data view and model view, and also use various visuals to create the user interface that is in front of you right now. Now let's just finish this report by adding those two visuals. To make this visual, which is this, the name of this visual is slicer. So I will simply click on empty space and just click on the slicer visual, and I want to show the data by quarterly basis, so I will simply drag quarter here. So these are quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 4, and this is in list. Now let's change the slicer setting from vertical list to tile. So this is tile option, and I will not waste my much time. I will just format it. So I will simply click here, copy the format pointer options, just paste it. It was pasted. So let's do it once again. So as you can see, it's pasted here. Now let's simply arrange this. Before arranging, let's turn off the slicer header and let's arrange it. So to arrange it, I will simply go to the properties to see the arrangements. So height is 80 and width is 568. So height is 80 and width is 568, and the position is, let's see, 525 10. So I will simply type 520 and 10 is correct. So this is the actual position of this visual. Now let's copy paste the last visual that I explained in last video. So I will simply click here, Control C to copy, open the new report, click on the blank space and Control V to paste. And the last visual of slicer is ready in front of you. How I created it, I just simply selected the slicer, added state field to here and changed the slicer setting from vertical list to drop down. And I also done some basic color formatting so that the values will be visible too. And it can be a good challenge for you to create this type of visual effects for. And finally, the e-commerce sales dashboard is ready, where we can select the data or view the data based on quarter basis, based on state, and based on specific subcategories, based on category, and based on specific customer need, and apart from that, based on state. So this is a dashboard which will help the stakeholders to take the decision of this e-commerce platform, and based on the decisions taken by the stakeholders, the profit will definitely be increased. So that's all for this course. If you like this course, then do share this course with your friends and family members. And if you have any doubts or queries related to any video of this course, just jot down in comment section. I will answer to your every comment as soon as possible. That's all from my side. Thank you for attending this course.